Eggs with potatoes taste amazing when cooked this way. Hi lovelies, thank you for stopping by and welcome to Recipes by Jenny. Start by preheating your oven at 190 degrees centigrade 10 minutes before we start baking. I already peeled and cut the potatoes and onions into slices like so. And at this point we would add olive oil, salt, dried oregano, smoked paprika, and you can add any other flavor or herbs of your choice. Mix together until well combined. Transfer onto a baking tray and roast in the preheated oven for around 35 to 40 minutes or until the potatoes are well done. Once the potatoes are well done, remove from the heat, set aside and allow to cool down. Now to a bowl add the eggs, add smoked paprika, garlic powder, dried oregano, salt, and lastly, chili flakes. Mix together and then add the roasted potatoes and onions. If you like what you've seen in the video so far, kindly give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not. Thank you very much. Ensure that the potatoes are well coated with the eggs. To a saucepan add just a bit of olive oil, then add the potato and egg mix. Reduce the heat to low and cook on each side for around 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, flip. Be careful when you're flipping your eggs. Transfer back to the saucepan and cook the other side for another 7 minutes. And after 7 minutes, your egg potato dish is ready to be enjoyed. Easy, quick, and absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you've watched until this point, let me know in the comments section if you tried this recipe. And until next time, remain blessed.